There is. If you live in Florida and you have a business in Florida, I can assure you one thing. I mean, they are constantly focused, and I would say 60 to 70% of their time is focused on pharmacies. Now, if you go to Pennsylvania, it probably will be less. If you go to New York, it probably will be less. The only time in New York that you're probably going to see DEA is if you had a potential theft or a significant loss or another issue that had to deal with a prescription for a controlled substance that they will question you about. But you don't, the DEA is not active like they used to be at one time. Today, DEA's focus is on taking actions, administrative or civil action, against registrants, whether you're a manufacturer, distributor, or importer, exporter. I've dealt with all those type of clients, and I tell them all the same. You know, you need to have a compliance consultant. You need someone to come in that knows what DEA is looking for, unless you know it. But you need to bring someone in. And believe me, I've been into registrants who claim that all their records are good. And then when you go in there and you start peeling the onions, you're finding, no, they don't have this, you know, no, they don't have that. For example, biannual inventory. Everybody should have a biannual inventory. Should be done at least once every 2 years. And the inventory should be done all on the same day, at the beginning of business or close of business. You can't start one day and finish it off another, because then it's not a biannual inventory. And many pharmacists will do that and not even realize it. Or they may forget. And I can tell you from many pharmacies I've been in where I say, where's your biannual inventory? And now they're going through, rooting through all these shelves and cabinets. And I'm saying to them, you know what? You should have just one dedicated area where all your records are at. When DEA comes in, this is where you would go and pull out all the required records. But by the time I'm done, they're still looking for the biannual inventory, and I had to make them make one on that day while I'm there, and making sure that they have all the required information on there.